Are you feeling nervous about being assigned a new project? Not sure if you need a fire protection system? Are you feeling overwhelmed? It's completely normal. Don't worry, I'm here to make things easier for you. I'll be providing you with both the comprehensive strategy and the detailed templates for designing fire protection system. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for in-depth insights on fire protection design. So let's start. Let us explore the overall design process for a G+4 building project from the initial phase till securing the project. So what to do next? The first step will be to review architectural drawings. While reviewing these drawings, we need to verify overall office building length, width and height. Check intended use or application of the building. Review overall floor plans. Finally, examine the cross-sectional drawings of the building. Now moving ahead with second step, it is to check the fire protection system requirements based on local building codes and international codes and standards. You can see a sample FPS requirement sheet on your screen. Based on that, we need to define the fire flow and duration along with the required fire protection system according to the codes and standards. The third step will be to list out the deliverables. It includes firefighting and fire alarm system documents and drawings and building code analysis. I will be sharing you the sample format for firefighting system deliverables in next slide. You can see the minimum documents or drawings listed here along with number of hours required for designing the firefighting system. However, this might vary as per project size. The fire alarm system sample format is shown on your screen. So these are the minimum documents required. Then we will moving forward ahead with the building code analysis. We need to calculate how many number of hours required for this particular BCA. Fourth step will be to estimate the project. Whenever we start estimation, make sure to list out the number of drawings or documents along with number of man hours required for designing the complete system, and then estimate the cost and prepare techno-commercial proposals. Finally, we need to submit techno-commercial proposals to the end user or client. Fifth step would be negotiations with the client on the submitted commercial proposals till we secure the project contract or the contract is awarded. Next step will be discussed in part 2 of this video. If you find this video helpful, please express it with a like or share your thoughts in the comment section. Your feedback is valuable to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.